How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're getting there. Couple quick update here. I've been working furiously on this, and we're getting somewhere. So here we're all fleeced up. Couple things that I had an issue with. One was up top around here. I actually had to cut this in multiple pieces to actually get it to fit and stretch right around the front. Not a big deal. I used a whole lot more staples than I liked. I bought adhering fabric to different surfaces. This 3-in-1 stuff here. It says crystal clear, instant grab, fast dry glue. Yeah, well, that's some bullshit there, because I tried it here and I don't even know. Yeah, maybe it did dry now, but I tell you what, it did not want to dry, did not want to stick, nothing. So I ended up just going back through and running some staples along the inside. And I just did the same thing with all the speakers. So once I get everything resined up the first time and this hardens, I'm probably going to end up having to pull a bunch of staples. Got my light pods done and in here. I tried to go around the inside here, but with the way that everything's shaped, I wanted to have a little bit of a lip on the outside rather than pulling right here. So I went ahead and went around the outside edge of it. So yeah, I just went around the outside of this and made the form that I wanted to. So also it was a little high here, so I've just got some paint buckets up on it. What I'll do is I'll just go around the paint buckets and do everything around the top and on these sides and everything else, and let that kind of start to set up. And then I'll pull the paint bucket off there. Hopefully it'll stay in place for the most part. And then I'll do where the buckets are. Just so I can get the right form that I want. So when you get in, you know, this is hanging a little bit lower. Well, it'll be actually higher than the speakers. So this is all for extra headspace and stuff like that. But other than that, it's going good. I got all my pass-throughs done. And the nice thing about these being back here, this is the passenger rear corner. So when I finish the rear box, I can just jump right off of these and go straight to the back. I don't have to run any more power wires. It's all set to go there. So other than that, everything's going good. I'm going to take a day off tomorrow, spend some time with my son. Maybe tomorrow night I'll start some resin on this thing. Other than that, not a whole lot going on. All the wiring is done. Everything's finished. I think that's about it. I don't think there was anything else I needed to cover. Well, anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. Wanting to get some interaction. That way I can make sure I'm doing this stuff right. If anybody's got any ideas, stuff like that. So I think I'm doing pretty good so far, shaping this. But other than that, if you got some ideas for me to use for the back section, shortcuts, tips, tricks, stuff like that, as long as it works right, I'm glad to use any advice. I'm open. So let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.